Hello everyone, welcome to trick number 4 of how to start a story, and that is start with an interesting personal story. Remember guys, your hero story is the most impactful story to start with, which will have a quick impact on the audience. Because your hero story is yours, you have lived that story, you are the hero of that story, so nothing can be more impactful than that. But yes, you need to know what is a hero story, how to frame a hero story. That is what I'm going to share with you today. So you have to keep in mind 3 things. Number 1 is that your story should not be only about your victories, like okay, I wrote a book, or my name was published on Women Entrepreneur magazine, okay, I have impacted so and so people, I have done this, I have done that. No, it also should include like how did you reach there, what were the failures. Number 2, you have to keep in mind that your story should not be only about failures, like I went through this, I went through that, like my life was a misery, I lost a high paying job, I met with an accident, I faced this. Now you also have to speak about how did you get up from there, how did you face these challenges, and that's what the audience is looking for, right? Number 3, and the most important thing is you have to club the both. Initially you have to start with what you faced, the challenges you faced, and then how you got up from there with patience, how you dealt with the adversities and became a hero, and then talk about your successes, right? How you were consistent. So this is what the audience is looking for. You can also start your speech with a story which generates a little bit of curiosity in the audience. Suppose you have gone to that city for the first time. You can say that this is my first visit to this beautiful city, and yesterday while I was walking down the street, I noticed something which was very strange for me, which was, I never witnessed this before in my city. And so in that case, what happens is it draws the audience attention to you. Remember one thing, whenever you are sharing any story, be it your personal story or be it, any story, but that should be relevant, and it's very important that you have actually learned something from that story. Only then your audience will also learn from that story. So make sure it is true and it is relevant. So keep watching for the next trick number 5.